In this video, I will be going over how you can have a Ketch experience on a Squarespace website. So first, log into Squarespace and go to the editor. On the left panel, you'll see the website and pages. Click on Pages. Now in Pages, under Pages, scroll all the way to the bottom. Under Utilities, you will find something called Website Tools. Click on Website Tools, and now you'd see another panel show up. This has custom code, and now click on Code Injection. Now you would have to enter the Ketch tag here. To get the Ketch tag, log into app.ketch, and under here, go to Properties. In Properties, click on the three dots next to the property you'd like to deploy on your Squarespace website. Click on that. Click on Export Code. Copy that code. Now go back to your Squarespace editor, enter that script into the header, click on Save. And once you save, you can see Live Editor showing up how the actual tag looks on your website. Click on Preview to see how it is, the look and feel. Now you can go back and publish your website whenever you need to. But yep, that's it.